What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, welcome the Integra back. So it's been a little bit over a week since I last driven it, so I am all about the Corolla at this moment right now because I'm so used to that car. So I became one with the Corolla, which sucks for this car because it's like I'm familiar with it again. So I got the car, drove it 1,000 miles. I just put on miles, but I really didn't enjoy this car. So now I'm about to start enjoying this car. I made the first drive video, but other than that, I really haven't had a chance to drive it enthusiastically. So I'm about to start doing that at this point. I don't know if it's going to be more fun than that GR Corolla, because if you've seen in my last couple of videos ago, I was able to just do some fun things in that car. Remind me of my M2, RIP. But we're about to try and do some fun things that we can do in front wheel drive cars. It's not going to be like no burnouts or drifting or nothing. We probably can do drifting. The Civic Type R can. I got to see if this thing can get the tail out. But I don't know how to get that to happen exactly. But we're going to figure it out one of these days in the near future. But like I said, I got the windows tinted, parked it, haven't driven it since. So it's been so long. Now I got a clean car. Been dealing with a lot of rain here. Definitely why I didn't drive it. But let's take a look at it right now. So this right here, what we twerking with, like a fully loaded 2024 Acura Integra Type S. So this thing looks so aggressive. Them hips. Cisco might have made this thong song about this car if it existed back then. But taking a look at it, ooh, I got my privacy now. Can't even see in there. It's 35% tint doing this job. The copper wheels, these things look like pennies right now. Before they were like bronze looking, but these are actually copper. It's a slight difference, so they look like pennies. Let's see if we can get some light action going on down there. But yeah, got my 55% windshield. We're looking good now. Loving the black accents, illuminated badge. You seen the features. You got the carbon fiber mirrors. I got stuck in the rain after I got the car washed, so I had to turn my wipers on, and we got a little bit of gunt right there. But yeah. But now we're about to hop in. I'm about to do like a little comparison from driving this car, which I've been driving for like 2 weeks straight now, and the Integra. Because I gotta know, man. Because I done fell in love with this car. And that normally doesn't happen this fast. But this Integra, we're about to see what it's about to be like. So I'm gonna mount you guys up and get on the road and do some driving. But before we get to driving, let's got this call to action. Go check out the MOC. We got 100 Gang Nate, Blueprint 1 Elite, Race Car Friends. Go check out their channels featured on this channel. So they got cars like these. If you like cars like these, go check out the MOC. It's 100 Gang Nate says. But let's jump into the video. Almost nighttime, so waiting for my doors to illuminate. Oh, there we go. Can finally see it. Illumination. And then I can finally take these things off. They're falling off anyway. These stickers be so cheap. Couldn't wait to do it. Oh my God. Feel like I done fell into this car. It's quite a bit lower than the Integra. Take this off. Dang, that thing wasn't even stuck. Alright, before I start driving this, y'all let me know which car is y'all favorite so far. The Integra Type S, which I think most of you guys will be your favorite, or the GR Corolla. I think I might be Team GR Corolla. I don't know. But good thing for me, I get to enjoy both of them. Happy place right now, so I get to enjoy these cars and have fun with them and share the experience with you guys. And I get a lot of questions. If you got any questions, throw them at me. I'll give them to you all as best as I can. Because a lot of people want to see these comparisons. And this is kind of sort of going to be the first one. Kind of sort of a little bit, but not an in-depth comparison. But we're about to see how it is. But first thing I noticed, this car sits way lower. Seating position in here is better. So my favorite car that I have on was my Camaros, and it's like you're sitting in the submarine. It feels like you're sitting in the car. The Integra is like that, and like the M2, it feels like you're sitting on top of the car, like your seating position is high. That's the Corolla. So there's the first difference I noticed. That new smell, man. Crank that thing up. Got 1,226 miles. Individual mode. Exhaust opening up. Alright, let me mount y'all up so we can get down to business. So I got two cars with 3 exit pipes back here. The GR Corolla, Integra Type S. All I'm missing is a 458. these chicane lights. That thing look good. They knocked this out the park as far as styling goes. Like, there is not a bad angle on here whatsoever. Even though people say these are Genesis tail lights, they do look like the Genesis tail lights. I can't even front on that, but it still look good. There we go. Finally got it in action. Illuminated badge, and we got the door sills illuminated. Got all these LEDs in here. First time rolling the windows down. Hopefully this don't mess up. That would be tragic. We good. Oh man, I got scared for a minute, man. The window lock locks the driver's side from rolling the passenger window down. I'm like, uh-oh, why ain't my window rolling down? But we have the window locks on. With that activated, all you can roll up and down is the driver window. Well, that escalated quickly. No, just kidding, that's an emergency vehicle. Right there. Look like I picked a terrible time to come out here. My iPhone has the worst weather app ever, man. It said we good to go for the next 2 days, rain free. I'm seeing storm clouds in front of me. It's about to be nighttime too, so gotta crank this video out quick. Pops, I'm good. Need an exhaust, need volume. Let's get to these curves. Uh-oh. Torque's there. Woo. Oh my God, you hear that? Get rowdy. Scared myself. Hot digging. They put construction on here. This thing grippy though. Real grippy. So the first 10 seconds I realized how much more powerful this is than the GR Corolla. This thing just freely revs. It's got torque galore. It revs so freely too. They both are free revving, but you feel the power. Like in the GR Corolla, it's at 4,000, 4,500 before it hit you. On this one, 3,500. It's in there. 4,000, you pulling like a freight train. Pin you to the cushion more too. This is a more powerful car. It's got like 20 more horsepower, and it's lighter. Pass some people. Dilly-dallying, we gotta go. Trying to see which one got the most body roll between this and the Corolla. This one is a little wafty when I turn. Airborne almost. Let this slow Denali go, so I can get into it on this on ramp. It's about where I can have the most fun. The red line cut off something vicious. Stiffest suspension setting. There is some roll to this. I don't remember the Civic Type R having roll at all. Now let me drop a gear and test this third gear. Third gear is always the best gear. Yeah, the gear in here is definitely a little bit shorter because I actually get to roll through my gear. Normally third gear would be like, that's it, but I can get in the fourth gear, have a little bit of fun before I need to slow it down a little bit. Can't believe Apple Maps, man, they got me out here I'm about to be in the storm. I need to go switch cars. Brakes on here bite though. Good googly moo. hit the side of my car, just cringe a little bit more. This car was so clean too, so clean. All right, about to have some on-ramp action coming on. This is Michigan, everything's straight. But here we go. Amazing, man. They got some bite. Wasn't even trying to do all of that. Test this turn. Go. Dang. Yeah, this is definitely different strokes than the Corolla. Got to be a little bit more careful too, because I'm on some low profile tires. These things don't have no sidewalls. I scuffed my rim already. And all these potholes in Michigan during construction season. No bueno. Civics exhaust. It sounds good stock, but I still got the urge to want to open it up a little bit more. I want people to know we got something up in here. Even though it's just a 4-cylinder, but still. Alright, about to take off. Oh! I hear the blow-off valve up in here too. That limited slip differential got me going straight. Even though there is some torque steer. I don't think you can get around that ever in a front wheel drive car. Especially with this much power, 320. Alright, this is where I got the GR Corolla beat by a mile. Got way more practicality back there. I can fit back here too if I wanted to. So the Integra wins and being a better everyday car as far as it goes with the suspension. Definitely the practicality. Only fits 4 people. What were y'all thinking? I have no idea what they were thinking. I like to look at it as I got captain's chairs in the back seat. I'm at the point in my life where I actually want the cargo net now. So I had it in my last Integra. I should have just took it out since I knew I was getting this and put it in here. Or was that the Integra? I was probably them too. I think me and my cars mixed up. But I need that cargo net that goes all the way around because my stuff just be flying everywhere. And if you recall when I was at the track with the Topher, all my crap, the seat folded down and everything in my trunk flew inside the car while we were on the track. And that was no good. So I need a cargo net to kind of hold that in. Look at that nighttime handle. That look good. The driving part is about to be over with this video. It's dark out here, so y'all won't be able to see anything, especially since I got my windows tinted. The only saving grace is the lights in this parking lot. So there we have it. First time driving this thing in over a week. I missed it, so I'm probably about to drive this for a week straight. Drive it hard and see how I'm enjoying it, cause that Corolla then hit me in a special way. Dang, this paint job though. My flakes are they busting that night. Well, look at that. Shining in the nighttime. That's some good pearl effect. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you all with that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.